Hi, this is Lance, and this is my Weka challenge. It is the Pima Indians Diabetes Dataset. In this dataset, each instance represents the medical details for one patient. The task is to predict whether the patient will have an onset of diabetes within the next 5 years. All patients are females at least 21 years old, and here are the indicators. The last indicator is the binary classification. 1 indicates that the patient tested positive for diabetes. Here I have opened the file in Weka. This slide looks exclusively at the pregnancy indicator. Now here are all the indicators visualized available with the Visualize All button. Notice that the class attribute, the one on the bottom right, is very unbalanced. There are almost twice as many negative outcomes as positive outcomes. Also note that the second, third, fourth, and fifth indicators have 0 values, which probably indicates missing data. It's highly unlikely, for example, that someone would have a blood pressure of 0. This matrix view shows poor separation between the classes when the input variables are plotted against each other. Here, the data has been normalized so that all values fall between 0 and 1. Here the data has been standardized such that the mean of all values is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. By the way, the normalized data and the standardized data have been saved as new data sets for later comparison. Now a new data set is created by using Weka to impute those missing values. At this point, we have 3 new data sets as well as the raw data. At this point, all 4 data sets are evaluated in the experimenter window using an array of algorithms listed in the bottom pane. As you can see, logistic regression produced the best results. The Rule 0 algorithm provided a baseline of 65.11% accuracy. In this slide, we can see the logistic regression algorithm compared to the baseline. You can also see that our normalized, imputed value, and standardized data sets realized little, if any, improvement over the raw data set. Finally, the most successful of these approaches, the logistic regression, is run against a training set of new data, and now this model is saved and ready to be run against unseen